How many late nights have you spent patching API security holes while your app burns? JWT auth that feels like a puzzle, rate limiting that breaks under traffic spikes, input validation that misses OWASP top 10 threats, CORS policies that turn into a whack-a-mole game. We've all been there. The API Security Pack gives Node.js devs, Python engineers, and Go architects battle-tested solutions. Stateful JWT refresh token rotation, Redis-backed sliding window rate limiting, Zod-powered schema validation with SQLi XSS sanitization, and CORS middleware with dynamic origin whitelisting. No more security theater, just code that defends itself. Sleep soundly knowing your API isn't the next HackerOne headline. Here's what's inside the API Security Pack. JWT module with rotating refresh tokens and JWK auto rotation. Redis-based rate limiter with endpoint-specific quotas and burst handling. Schema validation engine that blocks OWASP threats using Zod and custom sanitizers. CORS policy engine with pre-flight caching and origin regex patterns. Threat detection layer that logs and blocks malicious payloads. Each phase comes with working code templates, performance benchmarks, and progress checklists. And it works everywhere: Claude Code, Cursor, Gemini CLI, Windsurf, Copilot, Warp, and more. Build APIs that scale securely without reinventing the security wheel. Installing the API Security Pack takes one command: npx quanta-skills add API Security Pack. That's it. You'll get the full workflow: JWT auth setup, Redis rate limiting templates, schema validation pipelines, and CORS configuration tools, all pre-wired with TypeScript, Python, Go examples. Your next Claude Code session automatically detects the pack, and your AI assistant gains superpowers: explain security headers, generate validation rules, or debug token issues in real time. Even your coffee machine will respect your API boundaries now. Security that's always ready. No late night patching required.